Alright, hey everybody, welcome back. Today Jenny's at work and I'm bored, so we're gonna make a tool wall. Alright, so this is my current tool wall. We have all of our paint and finishing stuff up here with a small little set of shelves for tools and stuff. I really just threw it together with some scrap wood, wasn't really trying to make anything special or fancy. Originally I didn't want to do this because I thought shelves would just be enough, because I hate the thought of making tiny little pieces for every single tool to hang on. A while ago it sounded like a waste of time, but now I see that the amount of time that I've wasted looking for tools is going to be made up for by the time it takes to make the little holders. So let's get started. Why did I make those French cleats? When am I ever going to just take this off the wall completely? Have you ever looked at a project that you did a while ago and your skills have improved since then, and you just kind of look back and you're like, what in the world was I thinking? Like, for example, these paint shelves, first of all, I put them on the wall with French cleats. Why would I do that? When would I ever want to remove the thing with all the paint on it without spilling it? Just silly. And then, second, I used glue and screws and brad nails. I guess I glued and nailed it together and still didn't think that was strong enough, so I put screws in it, but just looking back at it now, I don't know. Anyway, let me know if you've ever done anything like that. Yeah, it's just weird. Past Davis was kind of stupid. Whatever, you grow and you learn, you figure stuff out. Alright, well, this is our new tool wall. Hopefully you guys like it. It'll be a better background than all the paint cans and everything. We're going to work on another solution for all the paint and finishing projects, but other than that, this is our new tool wall. So let us know what you think, and yeah. Alright, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay up to date with our latest projects. Yeah, that's all for this time.
We'll catch you later.
Thanks.